Okay, hy vibrate.
Hy vibrate. Julle gaan nou saam met my gesig skulp. Okay. Very excited to try this out. So hier is die Sculpt and Glow wand. Let's get to it. Okay, so dit het verskillende options. It's got different options, okay? A cleaning option, a lifting option. Oh, and then it has ionization. So you've got positive ions and negative ions. Is that how it works? Okay. Wat julle doen? Okay. I'm on the cleaning option. Okay, so I get to see, sorry for my mingles, maar as waar dit is. I get to see you gaan from one side to the other, and then you can literally see the dead skin cells. I do have moisturizing face cream on. Look at that. You can literally see the negative, listen to me, the dead skin cells coming. Oh, look at that. Ew. Shit. Okay. Okay. So you are removing the dead skin cells and you are cleaning and then lifting your skin. Oh, sculpting. Sculpting. Okay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Let's just do the top here as well. Let's do the side so you can literally see. Oh, but we are only cleaning now. We are not lifting it, but I'm sure that it would already. Huh? Can you see the side? Is it just me? What? What? I can literally see that the side is sculpted. It is absolutely vergaande. So, jy kan jou nek ook doen.
Sy's besig om te kom. Sy's besig. Wel, ek het ook nou so dingetjie. Ek moet ook leer hoe dit te gebruik.
So, jy gaan nou net van een kant na die ander. Ek het klaar die olie af, net so, né? En dan sculpt hy letterlik jou gesig. So, kan jy sien hoe smooth is dit? Huh? Ek bedoel hier so, dit haal die dead
So kan jy op iets.
Kan jy nie? Hy sê
O, okay, hy vibrate.
Hy vibrate.